Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to set up LinkedIn profile from scratch. If you just graduated or you just want to join LinkedIn to get a job, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply go to the browser, search for LinkedIn. Once you search for it, you will get the result. Make sure you go with the first one, which is linkedin.com. Once you're onto its website, then you have three options to sign up with Gmail, Microsoft account, or any other email of your choice. Simply go with any one of these, and after that, you have to add your credentials, or you can just simply choose these option for sign up. Once you have clicked on to any one of these, and after that, your account will be created, and you have to just simply agree to their terms and condition and join the LinkedIn. And after that, it will show you some of these options. You have to simply go with it like the puzzles. And after that, your account will be created. But first, you have to add the location. Make sure you add the correct location so you will get the jobs in your region. And then you have to click on next once you have added your location. Once you have added your location, it's time to add your recent experience. If you have no experience, you can select I'm a student, but if you have worked before, it could be internship or a proper job. You just have to simply add its title. And after that, you have to add what type of job it was, and you also have to add your organization name in which you have previously worked. If you have worked in multiple organizations, just simply add the last one. Later on, you will have the option to add all of your experience. So once you have selected the organization in which you have lately worked in, then click on continue. Then it will ask you if you're looking for a job currently, so you can choose as per your preferences. Then it will ask what kind of job are you looking for. You can add a title, and you can also choose the location where you want to work. Make sure you add the right location and also the job title, because based on that you will get suggested to the other jobs. So if you add anything wrong, you may get different or irrelevant jobs on your for you. So if you're looking for a job, simply toggle this option on. By that, the recruiters will get to know that you're looking for a job and your account will suggest it to them. So click on next once you have turned this option on. And if you want to get the app, simply install it, scan it, and you will get logged in with the same account on your device. Then it will show you some of these profiles you may follow, otherwise, you can skip it for the moment. After that, your LinkedIn profile will be created. So that's how you can create LinkedIn profile or account. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.